Today we'll be learning about how to make your Facebook private. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't make any mistakes during the process. Without any further ado, let's move into the video. First thing first, open the Facebook application. Make sure to log in into your Facebook account. Let me remind you that there is no any single button that helps you to make your Facebook private, but you can customize all of your privacy settings on Facebook and make your private account on Facebook. So once you are here, tap on three-line icon at the upper right corner of the screen and scroll down and tap on settings and privacy option. On the multiple options, tap on privacy shortcuts. And here you need to tap on take a privacy checkup, and here are all the privacy checkup topics that you want to customize. So let's tap on who can see what you share and tap on continue again. And here the phone number you need to set on only me, email only me, and the birthdays and the friends and following. So on the friends and following, tap on who can see your friends list on profile. I've saved to friends, so you need to tap on friends and tap on only me option. Again, who can see the people, pages and list you follow, tap on it and tap on only me. The other option I have already set to only me, so no need to change it. So now tap next again. And here the default audience, you need to choose the public and make it to only me. Come back and tap on stories. It has been set to friends, so you need to choose to custom or and say to only one individual or the people you'd like to um, access your story to see. Come back again and now tap on limit past post option and now tap on limit. Once you have done that, let's tap on next button again. So here is the blocking option. It says that when you block someone, they will no longer see things you post on your timeline, tag you, invite you to events or groups, start a conversation with you, or add you as a friend. So you can also add someone to a block list, but for now let's keep as it is and tap on next button. Now tap on review another topic. So in this way you can easily follow all the steps here. You can customize all the option here and make your Facebook private. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.